This is going to be a quick video to take a look at Shapeways 3D printed metal. You can order these from shapeways.com, no affiliation. What I did here was I took a torpedo shaped piece of metal and hollowed it out to make a flashlight from it. And it was kind of expensive to order the whole thing in metal, so I cut up just the tip where I needed the heat dissipation. Let's take a look. It said 18.22 is the inside size. What I received was about 4% smaller, and the battery didn't fit. But I ground that out with a Dremel. This is their website here. Different metal options. I took the steel, it was the cheapest, and apparently polished is also the cheapest. And this is what I got. Let's take a quick look around this and I'll end the video. Thanks for watching. If you want to subscribe, I don't put out a whole lot of videos, so they won't bother you much. I did my last video over a year ago. I'm going to try to do a few more, but thanks for watching. Bye.